Now what will we do is banking law notes by MG Law. Today's topic is collecting banker, page number 18. Okay, collecting banker. The banker who will collect any instrument. Okay, collect instrument for crediting customer's account. He will collect the instrument like check or any other instrument, and he will credit the customer's account. Okay, with the amount. Okay, what he will verify? He will verify the holder's name. Okay, he will verify that the holder's name is correct. He will verify the branch name is correct. Okay, the date should be within 3 months. Okay, mentioned on the check. Amount in words and figure, like if the amount in figures is written 100, then in figure words also it should match. Okay, he will see if there is any cutting without signature, like if like date is like 10/5/22, and if 10 is cut, then there should be signature of the account holder. Okay, he will see that any cutting is there. If there is any cutting, it should be with signature. Okay, otherwise he should not collect the check. Next is, he should present the check to the paying bank in due time. He cannot keep it in the drawer. The check or the instrument should be presented to the paying bank from whose account the money will be transferred. Okay, in due time. Next is, he should collect and credit proceeds to pay his account. So when the paying bank will send the amount to the uh, collecting bank, the collecting bank should credit the amount to the pays account. Okay, if there is dishonor of the check or the instrument for any reason, okay, then he should give the notice to the payee. Okay, so the notice should be given in due time. They should not delay it. Okay, what conditions the collecting banker should fulfill or satisfy, so that if there is any action taken against him, he can protect himself. These conditions are given in section 131 of Negotiable Instruments Act, that he should collect the check in good faith, honestly, and without negligence. There should be no negligence. Okay, the collection should be for the customer, not a stranger or a non-customer. If he is collecting the instrument for a stranger on a non-customer, then he is not protected under section 131. Okay, he is acting as an agent, not a holder. Okay, he is collecting the check on behalf of the customer. If he is collecting the check for himself, the bank or banking company, then he is not protected under section 131. Okay, he should check that the check is cross check. Cross checks are check in which there are two transverse parallel lines. These are called cross check. Okay, because open checks which do not have these lines, they do not need collection. Okay, they can be encashed on the counter itself. So what we have seen here is collecting banker. What he does is, he collects instruments for crediting customers account, and he verifies things like holder's name, branch name, date, amount in words and figures, any cutting without signature. Okay, and he presents the check to paying bank in due time, collects and credit proceeds to pay his account. And if there is a dishonor, he should give the notice to the pay. And how he's protected? He's protected under section 131 of Negotiable Instrument Act. The conditions he should satisfy to get the protection are, he that he is doing in good faith without negligence, collection for customer only, not for strangers or non-customer, acting as an agent, not for himself, that the check is crossed. Okay, all these conditions should be satisfied. So now collecting banker is done. If you are interested in the PDF, you will get it in the description box or the comment box. You can get from there. Next topic will be holder and holder in due course. Okay, which we will cover in next video.